Most people accept the world the way it's handed to them. But there are a few minds that cannot. They see cracks where others see walls, questions where others see certainty, hidden blueprints behind every belief. These are the INTPs, the architects of thought, and their way of seeing doesn't just challenge convention, it dismantles it. If you've ever wondered why some people can't rest with simple answers, why they seem to think in dimensions others miss, stay with me. Because what you're about to discover may change the way you see them, and yourself. The curious case of INTP thought. Some minds treat answers as if they were sealed boxes, and they are happiest when they can pry the lid open, examine the gears, and learn how the sound was made. That impulse is the first heartbeat of the INTP mind, not satisfied with comfortable maps, always curious about the terrain beneath them. An INTP thinks like an architect who prefers blueprints over finished facades. Give them a claim and they will trace the beams that hold it up. They break big ideas into smaller parts, not out of impatience but out of devotion to clarity. Each piece is tested for fit, assumptions are turned over, definitions are sharpened, hidden premises are named. This is not mechanical coldness, it is a meticulous tenderness toward truth. For someone whose inner life prizes coherence, a sloppy idea feels like an open wound, it will not rest until sewn properly. That careful disassembly grows into something more elaborate, a private labyrinth of logic where routes are mapped by cause and consequence. INTPs follow systems the way others follow a story. They hunt for the law that explains behavior, the principle that makes many odd facts sing together. Where others see a scatter of events, they see a pattern waiting for its name. Building these mental models, elegant, minimal, explanatory, gives their thought a musical structure. The reward is subtle, a single clean model that turns noise into music. The drive isn't for cleverness, it is for a framework that holds. Because their hunger is structural, surface answers have little purchase. A trimmed summary, a comfortable proverb, a worn-out convention, any of these only slow them down. The irritation you sometimes spot in an INTP is not contrarian posture, it is the friction of an internal standard that ordinary explanations fail to meet. They will not oppose for drama. They oppose because an unanswered why hums in them like a loose wire. That hum can be isolating. It can make ordinary conversations feel shallow, like speaking in a language that does not contain the words they need. And yet there is compassion in that impatience. Every time they refuse to accept a thin explanation, they are protecting the integrity of thought itself. This mind, restless, patient, and exacting, often stands at the edge of change. Because they demand reasons and seek patterns, INTPs notice the small dissonances others accept as normal. Those tiny cracks are the first sign of a different way of seeing. It is not glamour or rebellion that puts them there, it is a quieter expertise, the habit of looking for structure where others are content with surface. That habit shapes how they meet ideas, people, institutions, and even themselves. Remember this when you meet an INTP or when you recognize pieces of this in your own thinking, their work begins where certainty ends. Their method is a slow, intimate dissection of belief into clearer components, not to dismantle for its own sake, but to give things a truer form. The consequence is simple and profound, they see beyond what is told, because they have learned to read what is built beneath the telling. Deconstructing conventional wisdom. Conventional wisdom is often treated like sacred ground. People walk upon it every day, never asking who built it, or whether its foundation was sound in the first place. For most, the comfort of consensus outweighs the labor of questioning. But the INTP mind cannot rest in such comfort. It is pulled by a deeper current, an instinct to test, to probe, to refuse the easy acceptance of, this is how it has always been. This quiet skepticism is not arrogance. It is the natural hunger of a mind unwilling to live inside borrowed truths. When faced with a long-held belief, the INTP does not bow to its age or popularity. Instead, they turn it over in their hands, examining the logic that supposedly keeps it upright. If the belief survives the pressure, it earns respect. If it crumbles, it is exposed as an illusion that lasted only because no one dared to press on it before. The flaws of familiarity reveal themselves most clearly to them. Repetition creates an illusion of truth, and entire societies mistake this illusion for knowledge. But an INTP notices the cracks others step over. A phrase that sounds wise but contradicts itself. A theory that explains too much and therefore explains nothing. A rule that has been obeyed for centuries, though no one remembers why it was written. These inconsistencies hum loudly in their mind, impossible to ignore. What others pass by, they dissect, and in doing so, they expose the gap between what is assumed and what is real. History is full of such moments where INTP-like vision altered the course of humanity. When Galileo looked at the night sky and refused to accept that the Earth was the universe's center. When Descartes questioned the certainty of even his own thoughts until he rebuilt philosophy from the ground up. When Alan Turing asked not whether machines could follow instructions, but whether they could think. Each of these moments was born of the same quiet defiance, the refusal to let tradition silence reason. These shifts did not arrive politely. They were met with ridicule, suspicion, even punishment. Yet the arc of human progress bent because a certain kind of mind dared to believe that what everyone knew could be wrong. And this is the essence of the INTP gift, to see beyond convention, not for the thrill of being different, but for the dignity of being true. The power of divergent thinking. The true gift of the INTP mind is not only in tearing apart illusions, but in what happens after the dust settles. Once the false beams are stripped away, they begin to rebuild. And what they build is rarely predictable. It is shaped by connections that others would never think to link, insights born from distant corners of knowledge stitched together into a single, elegant fabric. This is why their problem-solving feels unusual, almost uncanny. Place an INTP in front of a problem that has frustrated conventional methods, and watch how their mind refuses to follow the grooves everyone else has worn. They will twist the question, invert its assumptions, approach it from the side rather than the front. Where others see a dead end, they notice a hidden opening. Their solutions are rarely flashy in appearance, but they carry a quiet brilliance, the power of an idea so simple, so clean, that people wonder why no one thought of it before. Part of this gift lies in their instinct to connect the unconnected. An INTP can read a line of poetry, study a mathematical proof, and overhear a casual remark, and from those fragments, weave a thread that unites them. They are collectors of hidden patterns, seekers of the invisible logic that ties unrelated things together. To an outside observer, it looks like randomness. To them, it is a mosaic assembling itself piece by piece. And when that mosaic is revealed, it carries a clarity that feels both surprising and inevitable. This same perspective gives them a peculiar foresight. Because they notice patterns others ignore, they see where the river bends long before it turns. While most people live only in the present, INTPs often sense the shape of what is about to arrive. They predict not through prophecy, but through pattern, by watching the tiny shifts, the subtle inconsistencies, the whispers of change that hint at tomorrow's reality. This foresight can feel lonely, because few are ready to listen when they first speak it. Yet when the world finally catches up, their vision is recognized for what it was, an early glimpse of the inevitable. The power of divergent thinking lies here, in the refusal to be trapped by obvious lines, and the courage to wander into the open fields where ideas from different worlds meet. In that wilderness, an INTP does their most important work, creating bridges where others see only distance, and giving form to possibilities that, without them, might never be seen at all. Navigating the uncharted. Brilliance is rarely recognized in its first breath. When an INTP shares their vision, it often lands in silence, sometimes even in dismissal. The problem is not that their ideas lack value, the problem is that their mind often runs ahead of the language and frameworks available to others. They describe connections no one else sees yet, truths that feel invisible until time catches up. To be met with blank stares, or polite nods, is not a reflection of weakness in their thought but of the gap between their pace and the world's readiness. And that gap can weigh heavily, because carrying clarity alone feels less like triumph and more like exile. This is the challenge of misunderstood brilliance. When your ideas are out of sync with your surroundings, they rarely meet applause. They meet resistance. To question the familiar is to unsettle comfort, and most people protect comfort with remarkable stubbornness. The INTP, in their quiet pursuit of truth, becomes an unintended disruptor. What they offer is not always rejected for its content, but for its timing. They are, in essence, speaking a language the present has not yet learned to hear. Yet even when their theories shimmer with precision, there is still the struggle of turning them into impact. The world does not run on pure clarity, it runs on translation, persuasion, and the slow machinery of action. An INTP can design a model so elegant it explains entire systems, but unless that insight is shaped into something others can grasp, it risks remaining a private treasure. Here lies the paradox of their gift: they can see the map of the labyrinth, but to lead others through it, they must walk at the slower pace of shared understanding. Bridging that gap is not natural for them, but it is necessary if their visions are to move beyond thought into transformation. And beneath all this runs a subtler cost: the ache of isolation. Independent thinking may liberate them from illusion, but it also sets them apart. When your deepest thoughts cannot be fully shared, when your sharpest insights are met with hesitation, you begin to feel the cold distance of being alone in a crowded room. This is why many INTPs carry the aura of the lonely genius. Not because they choose solitude as an act of pride, but because solitude becomes the only place where their thoughts move freely without interruption. It is a strange burden, to hold ideas that could change the world, yet to live with the silence of not being heard. But it is also the mark of their quiet strength. For the INTP, navigating the uncharted is not simply about producing new visions, it is about enduring the loneliness of being ahead of one's time, and continuing to think, even when the world has not yet learned how to listen. Embracing the unconventional advantage. Every society grows restless with sameness, even if it doesn't admit it. Progress never begins in the center of comfort, it begins at the margins, where someone dares to see differently. This is where the INTP perspective becomes not just a curiosity, but a necessity. Their outsider vantage point, often misunderstood in the moment, is precisely what allows them to notice what the insiders overlook. They are not blinded by tradition or bound by the weight of "this is how it's done." From that distance, they reveal the blind spots of culture, the hidden contradictions of policy, the overlooked cracks in systems that seemed unshakable. It is diversity of perspective, the courage to think outside the current script, that keeps civilization alive. But this is not a gift meant only for INTPs. Each of us carries, in some corner of our mind, the ability to question, to doubt, to trace an idea back to its first principle. Cultivating your inner INTP means daring to slow down when others rush, asking what lies beneath the obvious, and refusing to surrender your clarity to the comfort of consensus. It is not about becoming contrarian for its own sake, it is about developing the discipline to think independently even when the crowd is loud. And that discipline, once practiced, is contagious. It sharpens conversation, strengthens decisions, and restores a deeper honesty to the way we live. The truth is that the future does not belong to those who echo what has already been said. The future belongs to those who imagine what has not yet been considered. As the world grows more complex, more entangled, and more uncertain, it needs minds that can map hidden patterns, minds that can connect the unconnected, minds that are willing to step outside the walls of conventional wisdom and look at the landscape from above. In other words, the future needs INTPs. Their contribution is not measured by applause in the present but by the clarity they lend to generations ahead. To appreciate them is not simply to admire their intellect, but to make space for the uncomfortable truths they bring. And to leverage their unique way of seeing is to honor a principle as old as human progress, that every step forward was first imagined by someone who refused to stay within the lines. So the next time you find yourself face to face with an idea that unsettles, that questions, that strips away the safety of what you've always believed, pause before you dismiss it. It may be the voice of an INTP. And hidden in that voice may be the seed of tomorrow's wisdom, waiting only for the patience of those willing to listen. And so, the curious case of the INTP mind reminds us of something vital: progress has never belonged to those who simply accept the world as it is. It belongs to the questioners, the dismantlers, the ones unafraid to peel back the layers of truth to see what lies beneath. INTPs live in that space, a world where answers are never final, and every idea is a door to another discovery. If you carry even a spark of this within you, don't silence it. Don't shrink it to fit into the comfort of convention. The world doesn't need more conformity, it needs more minds willing to see beyond. Because in the end, the greatest breakthroughs don't come from those who followed the map, but from those who dared to redraw it.